Yeah, man, from here the voice, you don't know a Bones they represent for Sandy and Bones TV. And you don't know, if you don't know no bad mind people, yeah, man, just check out Amari. Amari is a bad mind lady. I'm not telling no lies. Queenie buy her house and them look at something that she have all kind of thing to talk about, woman. Promotion can pay her such money and thing, but the woman say, yo, out of Victoria Neutral, she got jar money when she save her thing, you see it. So you don't know if you're new around here, just remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the TV, you see it. For future upload, you get it right as a job. And you all can follow me at on Instagram at Sandy and Bones TV. You don't know this morning Queenie go live on TikTok and you see it. She just send a message to Amari and make she know straight say yo. And a promotion thing do this still is it. I see if she still promotion and everything do it. And that me Queenie means still, but she just say no promotion money that still is it. So you don't know. If you're new around here, just remember to like, comment and share and subscribe to the TV. I will just go forward now the video and hear Queenie and say yeah man.
Rough and tough, not pussy. And them things I'm telling about. There's a hardcore motherfucker. If a man for do nothing for me, my drill, my bill, my dig, any block. But you may have a soldier them, yeah? Them come in and help me good, so. What you power? By the time the pity they reach in a speaker spot, yeah. I'm still a got mom for breakfast, you know, you see that? So this now when you have any buckle, and you throw the buckle them into the crate, that the buckle them don't hang around. And this is how I need to wipe the veranda. Yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna take care of it. I'm gonna tie them. So another rubbish. Watch so much box. Jesus Christ. Come on, help me draw the box here, man. Come, hold one side. Watch a big corner where I buy a town and it not good. All them some men are crazy. Me pay around. I don't wanna lie. Hey, Ansa around there now. Man, look if me see no ants. Yeah. Right, crazy. I think my pay. I'm going through a lot with my husband. You've been through a lot. I love you. Please call me. Who this? I said me for call you. Mom, I don't know who you baby for call you. You're going through a lot, baby. Me did not go through a lot, but it done. You will put through, darling, okay? But I don't know who is it to call you, baby. You have to call me, call you. Me don't know who. Oh God, I said, God, darling, everything, nothing, not last forever, and we can have just nice time. You understand? Yeah, the coconut. So after me frightened, I said, I want coconut in my gungo rice and peas, because I'm tired to use the powder, you know, my extra. So, I pick the big fat coconut. So last time when they brought the coconut now, so I said, give me the coconut water, boy, I tell you. Give me the coconut water so them throw it in the glass. They say, me take it and go so. Come on, help me draw the box then, man. But no one walk me out tonight for help work too. Yes. Then Riley. Then Escada. Then London. Then Nastasia. Wow! The coconut big and fat for nothing. Come like sweet pepper. Big and worthless. Yeah, the kids them soon come. I'm excited. So I'm tied up later. Mego, the next hour them sheet I got dry. And when them dry, me go fly them up on the bed, and then me go get some fabulous, and then me go rewind the house again, and then me go over Portmore, and then me go to my mom for my mother breakfast. Yeah. Watch out, one more box on ya. Oh, what is that box, sir? You see the next thing, eh? You see if the rubbish now they out there, so them now take it up and I never know, you know. You have to carry the rubbish. Them now go come in at the yard to pick them up, and you have to carry the rubbish right there, so. Everything brand new, from a pin to a anchor. Brand new house, brand new start. You have to get light, you have to get gas, you have to get welding, you have to get plumber, you have to get electrician. Everything. That's why I said I don't want nobody fret me out, because I go through a lot and I appreciate what I'm reaching in life. So when some bumble will make me feel like say, me are the worst. I'm gonna forgive God gratitude for me there. I go cuss them. You understand me? I go come help my work, man. I go on 2 foreign spread. Then the rich, nice. Yeah. Nice foreign spread more on my bed. My rich bed. But in due time we get everything. Yes, if you don't put the rubbish out of the front here, sir, the rubbish shop, man, them don't allow to take them out. That is the next thing you have to know. Yeah. Yeah, buy more king size spread. Yeah, you can donate. We take donation. Get the me I walk, you know. I'm say very crazy. I just walk at night and then go sleep. Big up my 3 soldiers them. Yeah, man. Me and them through the storm. Them not left me out. Yeah. Years, me and them I come to, you know. So, and on a new moon. I'm a dog, them sit with that, me alright. Anybody want any box for storage? Come to Queenie yard outside. See storage them there. Amari, miss yesterday with my money. I'm gonna do my video and say, man, for throw money in my face. I'm here, I cuss, I say promotion money. Amari, a Victoria Mutual, I'm gonna take my money out. And a promotion money. Mari, my hard working money when I save, I got draw out a Victoria Mutual. So now handout. So now about people, oh Queenie, really? Who are paid and that money there for promotion? I did not tell it's promotion money, Amari. I said, man to start throw blood clot money in my face. You know why? I rely upon myself. If I want something, I go draw my money and buy it. So it's like I'm independent to have my one. Any pussy will come across that's have to dash money upon me. And that me I talk about Amari. Me really cuss me about all my clothes. I'm going to show you the tag when I wear upon on stage. You still a cuss. Amari, you wear cheap quality clothes. Me no wear cheap clothes, Amari. I do wear cheap clothes, Amari. Me not take it for a habit like you. I recycle my old work, them wear quality. You hear that? Yeah. I tidy, you know. And clean it. So me take my hand and clean up. My hand. My people them have to put on gloves.
You say It and Run are one of the worst songs that I ever hear. Not from Massacre, but because I feel like I sense upon it. She come like Cardi B to me, like she not have no talent. She not sound good or something. Them is like when she DJ rapper whatever is like you can tell so she don't know what she do. I'm not telling no lie, I feel
Now lyric, I remember years ago, somebody on Twitter had commented and said that they thought that as somebody who used to be one of the first big YouTubers out of Jamaica, your career should have progressed better than it did, and that your skills should have improved better than it did, and that your makeup skills were still in the 2006 time frame. And I remember your response video to that comment because you were so upset because it was just so unprovoked. It is so upset that this person just randomly bring you down. But here you are years later doing the same thing to somebody else unprovoked. Because while it's okay to not like an artist, not like a song, what are we supposed to take away from this video of you saying that you think she has no talent? Like, what are you expecting your viewers to leave with at the end of that video? The entire video was negative, it was hateful, and it was just very bitter. Follow-up video is what blew my mind, where you, I don't know if you were justifying it, but where you were saying that you've been trolled for years on social media. So you've been trolled for years on social media, so you come and troll somebody else that has never bothered you before. Because me Google it, couldn't find where Shamsia talk negatively of you. So I don't know why you would have get up and just say this. Actually okay to let some of your inner thoughts stay inner thoughts. Not every inner thought needs to make it onto social media. At the end of the day, regardless of whether you think the song Nana sends, regardless of whether you hate the song, regardless of whether you don't like the artist, it takes a form of talent to be able to do what Shensia has accomplished. If everybody could have do what Shensia did do, everybody would have been singer, everybody would have been artist, everybody would have sell how much millions or thousands of copies of songs. Everybody would have get streams. Not everybody can do what she can do, and that is her talent. Now, Lyric, for years in the social media space, we've been giving you a pass because you went through something that was traumatic and it changed the trajectory of your life. However, the hurt where you have, baby girl, it is turning into bitterness. And at this point, if you have not sought the services of a professional therapist, please, because this coming from somebody that's been in the social media game for years, this level of bitterness and negativity, no, baby girl. No. And being hurt and going through what you went through publicly and the trolling and the negative comments that persons have said, it's not an excuse. Go and bring down other people. If you did not bring down the people, then would it bring you down? We could have give you a pass. But for bring down somebody else unprovoked,
oh, no problem, not gonna believe me, but me, I'm a Massacre fan through and through. Good job, baby. I love Massacre. Every song Massacre drop, I have everything. I love it. You see, It and Run are one of the worst songs that I ever hear. Not from Massacre, but because I feel like she said upon it. She come like Cardi B to me, like she not have no talent. She not sound good or something. Them is like when she DJ rapper whatever is like you can tell so she don't know what she do. I'm not telling no lie. I feel like I'm not like say I can't listen to Massacre because I love Massacre. But the one song that it is stupid in that not a substance Soft London song better than It and Run. I mean I like Soft London. No, no wicked to me. Um, 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 Hit and Run, Hit and Run, or what's up, London one name, live for moments like this. Live all that flow better. You can't tell me that. What touch your makeup, anybody, you know, like Blood Cleanse, Massacre, and Southland come up on that. You see Massacre and Shenyanga, you madman. And you can listen to both songs and you will not dispute. She has no talent. I said it. I won't take it back. She has no musical talent. If you want to be specific, but as far as I am concerned, wait. She only does music and it's never been good. She has 1 and 2 hits literally. Me love be good. Yes, that me love. One. And then one next one. Shit, one next one. And the original side chick girl of the whole of Jamaica love because that is all on the oh, no problem, not gonna believe me, but me, I'm a Massacre fan through and through. Good job, baby. I love Massacre. Every song Massacre drop, I have everything. I love it. You see, It and Run are one of the worst songs that I ever hear. Not from Massacre, but because I feel like she said upon it. She come like Cardi B to me, like she not have no talent. she not sound good, or something them is like when she DJ rapper whatever, is like you can tell so she don't know what she do. I'm not telling no lie, I feel like I'm not like say I can't listen to Massacre because I love Massacre. But the one song that it is stupid in that not a substance. Soft London song better than it and run. I mean, oh no, wicked to me. Hit and run. Hit and run. Or what's Soft London one name? Live for moments like this. Live all that flow better. They can't tell me that. What touch your makeup, anybody, you know, like Blood Cleanse, Massacre, and Southland come up on that. You see, Massacre and Shenyanga, you're madman. And you can listen to both songs and you will not dispute. She has no talent. I said it. I won't take it back. She has no musical talent. If you want to be specific, but as far as I am concerned, wait. She only does music and it's never been good. She has 1 and 2 hits literally. Me love be good. Yes, that me love. 1. And then one next one. One next one. And the original side chick girl of the whole of Jamaica love her because that is all on the be. Fine. Because I'm a side chick friend, we couldn't have her up so. Because you and Trent say I share the same man till I can understand the mentality. The song does sound good, I mean. Soft London and Massacre song shot way better than Shangalanga and Massacre. I'm not ask. You definitely listen to the 2 songs then? It don't sound good. Shensia has more misses than hits. Again, I'm not even lying to you. I'm not. One song I can remember, me love be good, and the one I shot with one video, and like she had Bad Girl and Bobby, and she didn't want white. I can't remember the song, but I remember the visuals. Again. Just be memorable, and then I won't have to make these TikToks. I don't know. The song's shit. I don't know what y'all want me to say.